Hey there, and welcome. Today, we're going to tackle something we all talk about, probably every single day, the weather. But we're going to learn how to do it in Armenian. By the time we're done here, you'll have the essential words for weather and seasons right in your back pocket. So let's jump right in. So let me ask you something. When you're in a situation, making a bit of small talk, what's that one topic that comes up more than pretty much anything else? You know the one. Yep, you got it. It's the weather. It is the ultimate universal icebreaker. And hey, by the end of this short explainer, you'll be able to chat all about it in Armenian. How cool is that? Okay, so we're going to start with the absolute fundamentals. First, we'll learn the basic nouns, the actual things you see outside. And then we'll learn how to turn them into words that describe those things, the adjectives. First up, the big one, the word for sun in Armenian is arev. Listen closely to the pronunciation. Arev. Go on, give it a try yourself. Arev. Now here's where it gets really interesting. How do we describe a day with sun? We take our word arev, and it becomes arevot or arevot. So we go from sun to sunny. See that little pattern? Let's see if it continues. All right, next on the list, rain. In Armenian, that's anzrev. Let's say that one together. Anzrev. It's a little tricky, but you can get it. Anzrev. And would you look at that? Just like with sunny, to say rainy, we get anzrevot or anzrevot. The pattern holds. We're just taking the noun anzrev and turning it into the adjective anzrevot. This is a fantastic little grammar key. What about something a bit colder? Well, the word for snow is dzun. That's dzun. It's got a quick, crisp sound to it. Dzun. And to describe a snowy day, you're probably already guessing it, it's Junot. Junot. From June to Junot. You're getting the hang of this. Let's do just one more. The word for wind is kami. That's pronounced kami. Give it a shot. Kami. And following our awesome little pattern, a windy day is described as kamot or chamot. So the really important thing to see here is that you can often spot the original noun hiding right there inside the adjective. And this just lays it all out perfectly. You can see all four of those pairs together right here. Arev becomes arevots, and anzrev becomes anzrevots. It's a really, really helpful shortcut for building up your vocabulary. Okay, now that we have our basic weather words down, let's put them into a bigger context. Let's learn the 4 seasons in Armenian. All right, let's just go right through them. Spring is garun or garun. Summer is amar, amar. Autumn is ashun, ashun. And winter is dzmer or dzmer. Let's say them one more time just to lock them in. Garun, amar, ashun, dzmer. Great work. Okay, so you've learned the building blocks, you've learned the seasons. Now for the really fun part. Let's see how all these words actually fit into a real conversation. This right here is the classic question, the one you can ask absolutely anyone. Over sar yeganaka inchbese, it just means, how is the weather today? This is your go-to conversation starter for sure. And here's a perfect response, using one of our brand new words. Aravits edyevtak. See it in there? Aravits. Sunny. So the answer is simply, it's sunny and warm. Let's keep the chat going. Yerek unzrev galis. This just means it was raining yesterday. And here we can see our word for rain, unzrev, being used to talk about the past. And what a lovely final reply, ayo, bites aisor gegetsik ore. This means, yes, but today is a beautiful day. It's a perfect example of how a conversation about the weather can just flow from one observation to the next. So how do you make all of this stick? Well, here's a great little tip. Make it a daily habit. Seriously, every single morning, just look out the window and try to describe the weather you see in Armenian. And here are some fantastic examples to get you started. You could say, it's cloudy today, or you can connect the seasons we learned, like it's very cold in winter, using our word zemer for winter. Or how about it's sunny in summer, using amar. This is exactly how you combine everything we've learned. And that brings us to our final challenge. For you, I want to leave you with this question. Look outside, right now. How would you describe the weather where you are? Is it arivot, maybe a little anzervot, or even hamot? You have the words now, so give it a try. Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer, and happy learning!